Behind these high-security walls, Russia's most exclusive presidential armored minivans.
From the outside, it looks like an ordinary luxury minivan, but beneath its elegant body hides one of Russia's most exclusive.
Built in extremely limited numbers, the Arsenal serves high-ranking government officials and state delegations. Production begins inside a modern automotive facility where automation meets skilled craftsmanship. Unlike mass-market factories producing
We have a critical error on line 4. Robotic status is showing a torque imbalance. Adjusting the calibration now. The assembly metrics are stabilizing.
The process starts with high-strength steel specially selected for structural rigidity and crash protection. Every batch arrives with certification before entering production. Before a single panel is stamped, technicians inspect the material for thickness, surface quality, and chemical consistency. Approved steel sheets move toward enormous automated presses capable of applying hundreds of tons of force in just seconds. Here's where the vehicle begins taking shape. Precision dies transform flat metal into doors, roof panels, fenders, and structural reinforcements with remarkable accuracy. Every millimeter matters. Freshly stamped panels pass through robotic laser scanners that instantly compare each component with digital engineering models before production continues. Only approved parts continue to the welding department. Any deviation beyond engineering tolerances is automatically removed from the production flow. Dozens of robotic welding arms now begin assembling the vehicle's structural skeleton. Thousands of precisely positioned welds create an exceptionally rigid passenger compartment. Human specialists inspect critical welds that machines cannot verify alone, combining advanced automation with experienced craftsmanship for maximum structural integrity. The completed body frame enters an automated dimensional measurement station, where robotic probes verify hundreds of reference points in just a few minutes.
After passing inspection, the bare body receives extensive cleaning to remove oils, dust and microscopic contaminants before corrosion protection begins.
The shell is submerged in specialized chemical treatment baths that improve paint adhesion while protecting hidden cavities from corrosion for years to come.
An electrically charged primer coats every internal surface, even areas impossible to reach with conventional spray guns.
Next comes robotic seam sealing. Flexible sealants are carefully applied to every body joint to block moisture, reduce vibration, and improve cabin refinement.
Before any paint is applied, inspectors perform another detailed surface examination under powerful lighting capable of revealing imperfections invisible to the naked eye.
Now the perfectly prepared body is finally ready for one of the factory's most spectacular stages, the multi-layer robotic parts. Inside a climate-controlled paint booth, robotic sprayers apply an ultra-thin primer layer with incredible precision. Temperature and humidity. The body then enters a high-temperature curing oven, where the primer chemically hardens into a durable foundation for every paint layer that follows. Now comes the color coat. Multiple robotic passes build a perfectly uniform finish, eliminating streaks and ensuring consistent coverage across every curve.
A crystal-clear protective layer is added next. This transparent coating enhances depth, gloss, and resistance against weather.
After another baking cycle, technicians inspect every painted surface under specialized lighting that instantly reveals even the smallest imperfection. While the body is being finished, another production line is assembling one of the vehicle's most sophisticated components, its powerful hybrid drivetrain. The heart of the Arsenal is a modern 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine developed for smooth power delivery, refined operation, Next, lightweight forged pistons and connecting rods are carefully installed, forming the moving core that converts combustion into usable power. Cylinder heads arrive fully machined before technicians install advanced valve train components and twin turbocharger connections with exceptional precision. The completed engine is transferred to an automated testing cell, where computers simulate real driving conditions long before the vehicle leaves the factory. Sensors continuously measure oil pressure, fuel delivery, exhaust temperature, vibration, and power output to verify every engine performs exactly as intended. Only engines that successfully complete every performance test are approved for final vehicle assembly. But the transmission must be prepared next. The multi-speed automatic transmission is assembled using tightly matched gears, clutch packs, and hydraulic control systems designed for exceptionally smooth operation. Each transmission undergoes computerized functional testing, verifying every gear engages smoothly before leaving the assembly station. Now comes one of the factory's most exciting moments. Engine and transmission finally meet for the first time, forming a complete powertrain module. Meanwhile, suspension specialists prepare heavy-duty front and rear subframes engineered to deliver limousine comfort while maintaining confident handling under demanding conditions. Every brake caliper, steering joint, and suspension fastener is tightened using intelligent torque systems that instantly detect any assembly error.
With the painted body complete and the fully tested powertrain waiting nearby, the factory is ready for the stage where
The next stage is known as the marriage process. In a precisely synchronized lift, the completed body is lowered onto the fully assembled drivetrain for the very first time. Within minutes, technicians secure the body using high-strength structural bolts, tightened in a carefully controlled sequence to ensure perfect alignment. Now the electrical nervous system begins to take shape. Hundreds of wiring harnesses are carefully routed through dedicated channels inside the vehicle. Modern luxury vehicles contain dozens of electronic control modules managing everything from engine performance to climate control and advanced driver assistance. Meanwhile, specialists install layers of sound insulation throughout the cabin to create an exceptionally quiet environment, even at highway speeds. The interior is transformed with premium leather, polished wood trim, aluminum accents, and hand-finished decorative panels that reflect luxury craftsmanship.
Each executive seat is assembled separately before being installed into the vehicle. Multiple electric motors provide precise adjustment and exceptional passenger comfort.
Power doors, electric window systems, and soft-close mechanisms are calibrated individually to guarantee smooth, silent operation every time.
Next comes the panoramic glass and windshield installation. Industrial vacuum robots position each panel with remarkable accuracy before high-strength adhesives cure.
Lighting systems are installed next. Advanced LED headlamps and rear light assemblies improve visibility while giving the Arsenal its unmistakable signature appearance.
That alignment is perfect. Yes, another flawless fit. Wipe down the trim.
Now the vehicle receives every essential fluid, including engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and refrigerant for the climate control system. Advanced software checks verify thousands of electrical signals, ensuring every sensor, switch, camera, and control module functions exactly as designed. The next inspection focuses on water tightness. Powerful spray systems simulate years of heavy rain, searching for even the smallest leak. Immediately afterward, technicians inspect the cabin using moisture detectors and bright inspection lights to confirm every seal performs perfectly. Wheel alignment, steering geometry, suspension calibration, and braking systems are adjusted using computer-controlled equipment before road testing begins. The factory has now transformed thousands of individual parts into a complete luxury vehicle. But one final challenge remains.
The acceleration curve is exceeding projections at this RPM. Yes, the torque vectoring is holding steady through the turn.
The first obstacle is a rough road section designed to expose unwanted vibrations, squeaks, and rattles. Every unusual sound is carefully investigated.
Next comes high-speed handling. Test drivers evaluate stability and steering precision through sweeping curves and emergency lane change exercises. Powerful braking systems are repeatedly tested from different speeds to verify consistent stopping performance under demanding conditions. Engineers also measure interior noise levels using precision microphones. The goal is to create a remarkably quiet cabin suitable for confidential conversations. Paint specialists polish the finish to a mirror-like shine, removing microscopic imperfections before the vehicle reaches its future owner. Protective films are carefully applied to painted surfaces, trim, and interior components, preserving the vehicle during transport and storage. Each completed vehicle receives detailed production documentation, recording major components, inspections, calibration results, and quality approvals for full traceability. Finished vehicles enter a secure indoor storage facility, where climate-controlled conditions help maintain their pristine appearance until delivery. The battery modules are fully optimized and showing green.
Confirmed. The software diagnostic aligns. Clearing the alert.
Specialized enclosed transport vehicles are prepared to move these limited production luxury vehicles while protecting them from weather and road debris. Unlike mass-produced family minivans, the Arsenal is assembled in comparatively small volumes, allowing technicians to devote exceptional. Its manufacturing combines advanced robotics, precision measurement, digital quality control, and traditional craftsmanship into a single highly coordinated product. From raw steel to a fully finished luxury vehicle, every stage demonstrates how modern manufacturing transforms engineered materials into transportation for the highest levels of government service. Agents. The journey you've witnessed is more than vehicle assembly. It's a carefully orchestrated process where engineering precision. Thank you for joining us inside the factory that builds the Aurus Arsenal. If you enjoy exploring the world's most advanced manufacturing processes,